The 2025 BMW iX1 Long-Wheelbase LWB model offers an intriguing blend of enhanced interior space, commendable electric performance, and a competitive price point. Unveiled at Auto Expo 2025, this variant is priced at Rs 49 lakh, ex-showroom, India, making it Rs 1.8 lakh more affordable than its petrol-powered X1 counterpart. This pricing strategy is attributed to local assembly, marking the iX1 LWB as BMW's first locally assembled electric vehicle in India. The iX1 LWB's design incorporates an additional 116mm in length compared to the standard model, resulting in improved rear seat legroom without compromising their vehicle's overall aesthetics. The exterior maintains BMW's signature styling cues, ensuring a familiar yet refreshed appearance. Under the hood, the iX1 LWB is equipped with a 66.4 kWh battery powering a single electric motor that delivers 201 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. BMW claims a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of 8.6 seconds. The vehicle boasts a claimed range of 531 km under ideal mid-conditions. However, real-world driving is expected to yield approximately 470 km. The iX1 LWB offers multiple driving modes, including personal, sport, and efficient, allowing drivers to tailor the driving experience to their preferences. The suspension is well-tuned for Indian road conditions, effectively absorbing potholes and providing a comfortable ride. Despite its electric powertrain, the iX1 LWB retains BMW's characteristic driving dynamics, offering a well-planted and composed feel in corners. In terms of interior features, the iX1 LWB emphasizes comfort and space, particularly in the rear seating area. The cabin design is modern, with a focus on minimalism, though some functions have been migrated to the touchscreen interface, which may require an adjustment period for new users. The boot is spacious, but it's worth noting that a spare tire is available only as a paid option. While the iX1 LWB offers a balanced performance suitable for daily driving, enthusiasts seeking a more spirited experience might find it less engaging compared to the outgoing standard X1, which featured a dual-motor setup producing 308.7 bhp and 440 Nm of torque. In comparison, the petrol-powered X1 S-Drive 20i generates 204 bhp and 300 Nm, offering more torque than the electric version. In summary, the 2025 BMW iX1 LWB presents a compelling option for those seeking a spacious and reasonably priced electric SUV. Its combination of extended interior space, practical electric range, and BMW's hallmark driving dynamics make it a noteworthy contender in the evolving EV market.